Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. In a previous video, we discussed the three types of modules in Node.js: local modules, built-in modules, and third-party modules. In this section, we will focus on built-in modules. Built-in modules, also known as core modules, that are pre-installed with Node.js. While they are available by default, you still need to import them before you can use them in your application. There are several built-in modules available, but we will concentrate on 5 that are particularly useful when developing applications. These modules are path, events, fs, stream, and HTTP. The path module is relatively straightforward and we will cover it with few examples. However, the other 4 modules can be more complex. If you find any of the concepts challenging, feel free to rewatch the videos for clarification. With this introduction to built-in modules in mind, let's dive into the path module in the next video. Thank you.